Welcome to rest. Does a bad night's sleep affect your golf skills? Absolutely. If a good night's sleep is a challenge for you, chances are that not only your golf will suffer, but your everyday life will too. This is going to surprise you, but the right sleep can help you and will bring balance back into your life. It has the power to change you almost overnight, literally. Did you know that you need as much sleep as you need food and water during your day? Unfortunately, most people's busy and pressured lives suffer greatly due to a lack of sleep. This is so wrong. Without the right amount of sleep, we are prone to mood swings, have trouble thinking clearly, even concentrating is an issue, and in addition, it can also elevate our blood pressure. We get irritable quickly, affecting our performance on and off the golf course. When we are under pressure, our bodies react with a stress response mechanism, preventing us from sleeping, and if bad enough, this will instigate illness. University studies have now discovered one of the reasons why our brains need sleep to survive. It's all about sleep and dreams, getting rid of all the useless information which accumulates during the waking hours. Sleep of the right kind and length is absolutely vital to your physical and overall health. Learning how to improve your body clock is paramount in returning you to health and balance. So it is essential to understand what happens to you when your body clock is out of balance. And in this module, you will learn how to listen to your body's whispers and symptoms. Did you know, for instance, that you should be sleeping in a dark room, which is the way your body meant to relax completely? If there is an ambient light in the room, it will actually inhibit the secretion of melatonin, which is the hormone that naturally promotes a peaceful sleep. So beauty sleep isn't just for looks. If you want to look your best on the course and enjoy good health and well-being, you need to score at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. How is that for a lower handicap? The side effects of poor quality sleep are fatigue, bad mood, anxious, hormonal imbalance, poor concentration, and much more. So before you sleep on that, sign up now. This is Patricia Manis. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video.